loves, hope you're doing fine. So let's begin this look today. This is a super matte look which will last you all day long. I'm starting with a mattifying primer. You can use any mattifying primer. I have listed all the products below, so do check it out. I've primed my face. I've used a lip balm to hydrate my lips. Now I've used a full coverage foundation. I'm only going to highlight my face because I don't have anything much to conceal. I have used a concealer that's 2 shades brighter or lighter than my skin tone, just to highlight the high points of my face. Sure to dab your full face with powder. Be very generous because later on you can wipe off the excess powder. This will ensure that your makeup stays put longer. Now moving on to contouring, I have not used a cream contour. I am only using a powder contour because I don't want too much cream on my face, because this is a matte look, and cream it mixes with your face oils and it might make your face very oily as the day progresses. Now I have got the look that I wanted, a very bronzy face. I am going to highlight only my nose to give it a bit of a definition. I'm not going to use highlighter anywhere on my face. I've used a very warm toned blush on the apples of my cheek. Make sure to blend your blush with the contour to avoid any harsh lines. Do your brows as usual. I am just going to fill up the sparse areas of my eyebrows, not doing much, keeping it very natural and clean. And whatever little edges, because I'm not doing a very high defined eyebrow, I'm just going to take a little bit of concealer and clean the edges to give it a neat look. I have used a very peach toned, very light shade as my transition shade, and I've swiped it all over my lid. Next, I have used a dark brown shade that I'm going to blend in the corner of my eyes, in the 2 corners, the inner corner and the outer corner, and my crease area. I'm going to leave the middle part of my eyes empty, not empty as the transition shade or the peachy shade that I had used is already there. So I'm going to let it be as is to just give it a very simple light halo effect. I have used kohl as well to tight line my eyes, not as an eyeliner, just to tight line my eyes. Now, since I'm not wearing false lashes, I am taking my time to curl my lashes. As you can see, I've taken 10 seconds for each lash. I'm going to coat them with mascara, loads of mascara, because I'm not wearing false lashes. If you are wearing false lashes, you can skip this step. So once I've coated my lashes with mascara, once I'm done with the mascara, I'm going to use the same dark brown shadow under my eyes to give it a bit of a definition, and also to make my eyes look bigger than they are. That's all for the eyes. Now for my lips, I am using a peachy brownish nude shade. I'm going to set my face with the MAC fixing spray. Even though this fixing spray is not a matte spray, you should definitely use a matte fixing spray. This is a dewy finish fixing spray, but then people who don't own a matte fixing spray, there is a trick up my sleeve that I always use. I use a simple blotting paper or a tissue paper. This will absorb all the oil that has, your skin has secreted by now, the excess powder, the excess foundation. It's going to soak up everything. And now finally, to set my face again, I am going to lightly dab my face, dab some powder on my face, but not much. Use a very light hand so that your makeup does not look cakey. And I'm done. I hope you guys like this look. Bye.